review for our Unit 5 test. It's going to be over what we covered in Unit 5, so circles, triangles, and angles. And then it's going to be a mix of everything that we've done for this year. So rotating long sprinkler sprays the water in a circular area of grass, as the picture is shown. The diameter of the circular area of grass is 18 feet, which measure is closest to the area a square feet that the sprinkler sprays with water. So you will have your formulas. You have to decide which question you're going to use it on. So for area, we use pi r squared. Okay, they give us a 18, which is a diameter. So pi is 3.14. We need to turn our diameter into a radius because we can't plug in 18 times 18. So we're going to make that into a radius. So we cut that in half, which is 9. And then remember, r squared means write it down 2 times. So 9 times 9, which is going to be 81. And then we'll do 3.14 times 81. And then we'll find our answer. And we get G. Okay, which of the following best describes pi? The ratio of the radius of the circle, so that'd be your radius to diameter, circumference of a circle to its diameter, so C over D, the square root of the area of a circle, and then the radius of a circle times 3.14. And the one that describes pi would be C over D. A circular tablecloth has a radius of 3.5 feet. Kyle is sewing a piece of ribbon around the edge. If Kyle has approximately enough ribbon, which measurement is closest to the length of the piece of the ribbon? Okay, this one doesn't say radius or area. So you have to know what does going around mean, around the edge. And that is going to be circumference. So again, you have 2 formulas. Since it's a radius, we're going to do our 2 pi r. So we're going to do 2 times 3.14 times 3.5. We're going to multiply 3.5 times 2 first to get rid of that decimal, which makes it 7. And then we'll do 3.14 times 7. And then we'll have to find, in this case, we're going to have to round to find the closest answer. And we get 21.98, and the closest is going to be H. Okay, so number 4. A circular bike has a route sign with a diameter of 40 inches. Which measurement is closest to the area? Okay, so again, area, we'll use the area formula, pi r squared. Pi is 3.14. We need to find our radius, but they give it, again, in diameter. So we're going to take our diameter, 40. To go from diameter to radius, we divide it by 2, which is going to be 20. So we're going to put 20 down 2 times. So we have 3.14 times 20 times 20, which is 400. And then we're going to multiply. So 0, 0, 0. Second row, we'll add a 0. Then 0 times 0 times 0. Add 2 zeros, and now multiply everything by 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 1 plus 1 is 5, and 12. Move our decimal over twice, and again, find the closest answer, which is D. Okay, number 5, a coin has a diameter of 8 inches, which is closest to the circumference of the coin in centimeters. So circumference and diameter. So we're going to leave our forget the formula. We know it's going to be C equal. Since it's a diameter, we're going to do pi d. So pi is 3.14. Our diameter is 8. And then we're going to multiply those together. 3.14 times 8. And find the closest answer. And that's going to be D, 25.13. Okay, the diagram below shows the radius of a circle opening of a drinking cup, which is closest to the circumference of the opening in centimeters. So it says circumference, it says radius, and we're given 3. So again, circumference is going to have 2 formulas. Since it's radius, we're going to do 2 pi r. So we're going to do 2 pi is 3.14, r is 3. Then we're going to multiply. Whole numbers first. 2 times 3 is 6. Then we'll do 3.14 times 6. Move our decimal over twice, and then pick the closest answer, which is H.